BizBoom AI has just hit the market and it's already creating a buzz in the AI space. In this BizBoom AI review, I'll walk you through 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about this groundbreaking software that's changing the game for digital marketers. Stick around till the end because I'll also share how you can try this software for free and compare it to others you might already be using. First off, what makes BizBoom AI stand out from the countless AI tools being released every day? Well, BizBoom is designed specifically for those looking to scale their digital marketing efforts quickly and efficiently. Whether you're in e-commerce, content creation, or digital services, this software aims to automate tasks that would otherwise take hours. Imagine AI handling your customer insights, email marketing, ad copy generation, and more, saving you a ton of time and energy while boosting your results. Now, let's talk about how BizBoom actually works. One of its core features is its ability to analyze vast amounts of customer data and segment your audience automatically. It pulls insights from social media, customer behavior, and previous marketing campaigns, giving you personalized strategies that would typically require a full team. This feature is a game changer for anyone looking to optimize their ad spend without the steep learning curve of manual analytics. Another standout is BizBoom's automated content creation. This software doesn't just help with written content, but extends to video, emails, and even social media posts. If you're someone who struggles to come up with engaging copy every day, BizBoom AI can draft, refine, and optimize content in real time, ensuring you stay consistent across platforms without the hassle. BizBoom AI is also known for its impressive ad optimization. It integrates seamlessly with platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads, tweaking your campaigns for maximum ROI. You simply input your goals, and BizBoom AI does the heavy lifting, optimizing bids, targeting, and even the creatives to ensure your ads are as effective as possible. One of the biggest selling points, though, is its ease of use. While some AI tools are notorious for being complex or require a steep learning curve, BizBoom AI is built with simplicity in mind. You don't need to be a tech expert to navigate the dashboard, and you can start seeing results in just a few clicks. This user-friendly design ensures that even beginners can get a handle on it right away. Let's also talk about BizBoom's scalability. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or part of a large marketing team, this tool is flexible enough to adapt to your needs. As your business grows, BizBoom grows with you, offering features like team collaboration, custom workflows, and integrations with other platforms, making it an ideal solution for businesses of any size. But here's something that might surprise you. BizBoom AI is not just about automating tasks. It also offers built-in training modules and actionable insights to help you level up your marketing game. From guiding you through campaign creation to giving you tips on how to improve your strategies, this tool is designed to support you every step of the way. Now, if you're wondering whether BizBoom AI is truly worth it, the good news is that you can try it completely free. Just click the link below to get access and test out all of its features with no strings attached. After testing thousands of AI tools in the market, BizBoom definitely stands out as one of the most innovative and user-friendly options available right now. To wrap things up, I've got some of my recommended AI software linked in the description as well, tools that I've personally tested and found to be incredibly valuable in digital marketing. Check them out after you've explored BizBoom AI for yourself. Remember, the future of marketing is AI, and BizBoom is leading the charge. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to try it out through the link below.